we have an example of integration of 10x raised to negative cube plus 12x raised to negative 9 plus 4x raised to the power of cube dx. So we will write it. The integration of 10x to negative 3 plus 12x negative 9 plus 4x cubed dx. So we have our first problem. So first natong buhaton is we will add 1 to our exponent. If we will be adding na, we will not carry this symbol na. So simply, it is 10x raised to negative 3 plus 1 over, ibang mga na over is, ano siyang exponent, ihimo na siya natong denominator. So, negative 3 plus 1. And the second term is 12x minus, negative minus guys, 12x raised to negative 9 plus 1. Yeah. Copy it, write it in the denominator, plus, last term is 4x cubed plus 1 over 3 plus 1. So, we have dx here. If integration atong pag-iskutan is lagi ni siya constant na kanang atong permi ibutang sa last na after sa last na term, which is c plus c. So, mao na ba ni siya atong answer? No. So, next na itong buhaton is ato na siyang i-substitute ang mga exponents ug ang atong gihimo nga denominator, which is 10x negative 3 plus 1 is equals to negative 2 over negative 2 plus 12x minus negative 9 plus 1. Negative 9 plus 1, the answer equals negative 8. Negative 8 over negative 8. Now, sa last term is we have 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. 4x minus 4 over 4. Copy c plus c. Okay na. Siya. So, muta na. Mao ni ba ni siya ang answer? Wala na ba siya ikapareha nga common factor? Na pwede nato siyang into lowest form na siya? So, naa pa. So, 10 divided by 2. Pila siya? Si 10 imong i-divide by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5. So, buta na to is si 5. Ba't naman siya yung negative sign here? So, i-copy mo si negative sign. X, copy the exponent. Next is, si 12 o si 8, na ba siya yung common factor? Very good. Which is si 4. 4 divided by 8, we have 2. 12 divided by 4 is 4, 8, 12. We have 3. Right? 3. Yun naman siya negative sign. Asa nato siya butang? 3. Plus 4 og si 4. Na ba siya common factor? Yes, naa si 4. Which is 1 na siya. Pwede man siya nga. Dili nato na i-write si 1. Copy na nalarga nato siya ang variable na kauban ni 4. Si 4x raised to the power of 4 plus copy c. Okay. Sumuha na ba ni siya? Dili pa. Ato siyang i-organize ang atong given functions. Given functions na yung atong answer plus, no, it is minus 3 over 2 x negative 8 plus x4 plus c. Okay, dugot man siya guys. buhaton is ato sa siyang i-erase. Ato siyang i-listen sa final answer. So our final answer will be negative 5x raised to negative 2 minus 3x raised to negative 8 over 2 plus x raised to 4 plus c. And now, we have the answer. 5x raised to negative 2 minus 3 over 2. Lang. So it's what? 5x minus now, is the final answer. 5x raised to negative 2 plus 3 over 2 x raised to negative 8 plus x raised to negative positive 4 plus c. So that is the answer of our first problem. Next na problem, which is the integration of 3 square root of 3x plus 10 5 square root of x cubed dx. Siya ito next middle problem. So first, atong buhaton is ato sa siyang i-rewrite ang fraction to this. So the square root of 3x is equals to x. I'm going to show you the imaginary 1, which is the numerator 1, and this 3 value need square root will be our denominator of our exponent. So which is the x raised to 1/3. Yeah, ano siya sa first term na to. Yeah, sa second term is 10, copy 10. Then the 5 square root of x cubed is this form na. Si x cubed is na siyang numerator. Then after it write si 5, then dx, then our constant is plus c. Ato siyang i-write. Plus c. So now, sa itong next buhaton, mag-add tag plus sa ilahang exponents. Which is kay in fraction form na siya, atong pag-add is fraction form section. So equals x 1/3 plus 3/3 plus 10x minus 3/5 plus 5 over 5 plus c, kulang pa. I-write nato siya si 1/3 plus 3/3 3/5 plus 5 over 5. So our answer is ato na siyang i-add tanang exponent. So x is equals to 1/3 plus 3/3 4/3 over 4/3 plus 10. Exponent of 3/5 over 5 over 5 is 8 over 5 over 8 over 5 plus c. O na siya. Next na itong buhaton is hindi na siya kaigo sa atong board. Next na itong buhaton ano is ato na siyang i-reciprocate na si wherein si x over si x have si x man siya na siya exponent na 4 over 3 and sa ubos. So ato na siyang i-reciprocate ang nasa denominator which is si 4 over 3, mahimo na ni siyang 3 over 4. wherein si kaning x, exponent of 4 over 3, mahimo na naso siyang kauban sa 3 over 4 na term, which is si x over 4 over 3. Next term is si 10. Si 10 i-times nimo kang, multiply nimo kang 5. Wherein si 5, mahimo na to siyang numerator, ari after na to pag-reciprocate. So, 5 times 10. Ito siya, 50 over, ato man si 8, atong i-bring, right, si 8 times, kung man siya kuan, exponent, 8 over 5. Then, plus c, copy c. So now, mauna ba na siya ang final na answer? Yes or no? No. Pwede pa. Napay term na pwede nato siya na siya'y common factor. Wherein, asa nga term? From second nga term. Ito si 50 over 8. So, atong i-copy 3 over 4 times 4 over 3 plus kasi ang common factor nila. I think it is 2. So, 2. 4 divided by 2. 2, 4, 4. Si 8, i-divide mo by 2. So, nasa 4. Si 50, nasa 25 katag 2 sa 50. Copy the exponent plus c. Now, nanatay answer sa atong given function sa atong number 2. Given is this. The integration of 7 over 3x raised to 6 plus 1 over x raised to 10 minus 2 over the cube root of x raised to 4 dx. So all we need to do first is ato sa itong i-rewrite ang fraction. So 7, then we have here x raised to 6, nato siyang i-reciprocate sa baba, which is negative 6, x minus negative 6 over 3 plus si 1, next term is si 1 over x raised to 10 is nomination. X is raised to negative 10. Negative 10. Minus 2. Minus 3. Ato siyang reciprocate. Si x minus 4. Si x positive 4 raised to power of 4. Minus siyang x raised to power of negative 4 over 3. Si dx, nasa constant na plus c. So, next ito buhaton. Atong adan of 1, si exponent. So, 7x plus 1, 3, 6 plus 1 plus 10 plus 1 over negative 10 plus 1 minus 2x negative 4 over 3 plus 3 over 3 over negative 4 plus negative 3 plus 6. Ano siya? After that is ato na siya i-substitute ang yung mga exponent. 7x minus negative 5 then negative 5 negative 5 times 3 negative 15 plus si x has negative 10 plus 1 is negative 9 minus atong i-add ng exponent 2x minus negative 4 thirds plus 3 thirds is equals to negative 1 third or negative 1 third plus c. Ano siya? Pero napagid ang di pa na siya ang final answer. So now we will rewrite the final answer. Sa eraser. So Yan. Napabusay ko ng factor, wala na. Naapat. So now, ato siyang, nabalik kong factor, wala. Pero, ato siyang i-organize, ato siyang i-reciprocate. So now, si 7, x, 7 over negative 15, x, 5 plus 1 over negative 9, x, negative 9, minus c 2, i-abot mo siya dito, x, 1/3, c.